Hello and welcome back to this channel. Our task today, we're asked to prove that log A base C plus B plus log A base C minus B equals 2 log A base C plus B times log A base C minus B, given that A squared equals C squared minus B squared. All right, how do we solve? Recall that if we have 1 by log A base B, this equals log B base A. What does the law state? The law states that when the log appears as a fraction, the log and the base interchange their position. That means if we have this, we translate it to this form. All right, let's go. So from here, we have this 1 by log C plus B base A plus 1 by log C minus B base A. So from here, we are going to cross multiply. Either you cross multiply or you look for the LCM. That means this is multiplying this is multiplying this, and this is multiplying. So we are using this rule. All right, let's go now. Log C minus B base A times this give us log C minus B base A plus log C plus B base A times this give us log C plus B base A all over log C plus B base A times log C minus B base A give us log C plus B base A multiplied by log C minus B base A. All right. Now also recall that if we have log A plus log B, the law states that when we are adding a logarithm and the two bases are the same, we take one of the base and multiply the log. That is, we have base 10 here. So we take one of the base, which is base 10, A times B. And this is log A times B gives us log AB base 10. All right, so from here, we are having, this implies that log, since the bases are the same and we are adding, we multiply. C minus B into bracket C plus B, bracket close, all divided by log C plus B base A log C minus B base A. All right, let's proceed from here. So from here, we know that difference of two squares, this is multiplying this is multiplying this. So from here, we know that this log base A, C times C gives us C squared minus B times B gives us minus B squared, all divided by log C plus B base A log C minus B base A. All right, so from here, recall that we're giving C squared minus B squared as what? A squared. That means whenever we see C squared minus B squared, we put A squared. So this becomes log base A of A squared upon log C plus B base A log C minus B base A. All right. Also recall this rule that if we have log A to power x, this x is coming backward to multiply this, so it becomes x log A. What does the law state? The law states that when the log is raised to power, the power here is used to multiply the log itself. So that means this 2 here is coming backward. So here we are having 2 log A base A upon log C plus B base A into bracket log AC minus B. All right, let's go. From here, we know that clearly. Recall, if we have log B base B, the result is 1. What does the law state? The law states that when the log and the base are the same, the result is 1. So clearly, if we have log A base A, the result is 1. So here we have 2 into 1, all divided by log C plus B base A multiplied by log C minus B base A. All right, so 2 times 1 here gives us 2. I know that this becomes 2 upon log c plus b base a times log c minus b base a. All right, from here, recall this proof, this property. If we have 1 by log a base b, this equals log b base a. Why? It states that when the log appears as a fraction, the log and the base interchange their position. So from here, log CAB base A will interchange their position. So clearly, here we're having 2 times 1 by log C plus B base A times 1 by log C minus B base A. All right, so if they interchange their position, we know that this becomes 2 log C plus B is coming down and A is going up. So it become A C plus B times log C minus B is coming down and A is going up. A C minus B. And this is the right proof. Very, very simple. Please don't forget, do well to like this video and drop your comment there in the comment section. And don't forget to share these videos to your friend. Remember, mathematics is not a spectator sport. No pain, no gain. And do well to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.